What happens when you add AI to a broken sales process? You do not get better results. You get a faster, more visible version of what was already broken. That is what this video is about. A lot of companies brought AI into sales expecting better results, more speed, more efficiency, better execution. They thought it would help the team move faster and finally give them the scale they had been chasing. But for many of them, that is not what happened. Instead of fixing the problem, AI exposed it. Right now, companies are putting AI into almost every part of sales: emails, follow-up, call summaries, content, forecasting, pipeline management. And honestly, the thinking makes sense. Maybe this will help the team move faster. Maybe this is finally the thing that helps us scale. But in many cases, nothing really changed. I've seen companies with good product, capable people, and real investment bring in AI, thinking it would move the business forward. Leadership approved the spend, the rollout looked thoughtful. There was real optimism behind it. But a few months later, pipeline quality did not improve. Conversations did not improve. The message was still inconsistent. Reps were still saying different things in different conversations, and leadership was left asking the same question. What happened? Where did the investment go? The problem was not effort, it was structure. And when I say structure, I mean the foundation a sales team needs before any tool can really help. Does the team clearly understand who the ideal buyer is? Do they know the real problem they solve? Can they explain their value in a way the market understands? Or are sales and marketing using different language, chasing different signals, and hoping technology will somehow pull it all together? This is what sales clarity means. Sales clarity means the team knows who they are selling to, why that buyer should care, what problem matters most, and what the sales process should look like from the first conversation to the close. It means the message is consistent and the team is not guessing. Without that, AI has nothing solid to work with. This is where a lot of companies get it wrong. They assume AI will bring clarity to the business. It will not. AI runs on clarity. If your team does not really understand the customer, AI will help them misunderstand that customer faster. If your message is weak, AI will spread that weakness across more emails, more campaigns, and more content. If your positioning is unclear, AI will multiply the confusion. And if your sales process is broken, AI will not fix it. It will make the failure happen at scale. This is the part many leaders miss. They think they are buying efficiency, but what they may actually be buying is acceleration of everything that has already gone wrong. In a weak sales organization, one rep leads with features, another leads with price, another talks about service. Marketing is pushing one message, sales is using another. Leadership thinks the market understands the value, but the buyer is still confused. Now, layer AI on top of that. AI writes more outreach, it generates more follow-up, it creates more content, it automates more tasks. But more volume does not fix a weak sales motion. It just gives that weak sales motion more reach. So the real issue is not about whether AI works. The real issue is whether the business is clear enough for AI to work well. AI needs clear thinking, clear messaging, and a sales process that actually works. It needs a team that knows what a good lead looks like, how buyers make decisions, and how to move a deal from first conversation to close. That is the foundation. And without that foundation, companies end up disappointed. Not because AI failed, because AI revealed what was already broken. AI does not change how customers decide. It does not remove confusion from your business. It just makes the truth visible faster. So, before a company asks, how do we use more AI? The better question is, do we have enough clarity for AI to help us understand at all? Because AI will not fix your business. It will expose it.